Isn't it yummy? It's so yummy, guys. And last, we are going to add, we'll top this with olive oil and sprinkle it with cayenne pepper. That's really yummy. Today, let's make a hummus. So for my sauce, I like to make it softer. Dahil ito si chicken cubes is hard, so I just soak that for a little while for boiling water. And I have this yung pickled na chili, guys. So I just use some of those sauce there na yung canned chilies. And I have the onion, just little onion. Sana may garlic ako. Since I don't have garlic, just tomato, garlic, and tahini is very important for our hummus. And of course, we need lemon and ang pinakabida, garbanzos, chickpeas. Ayan siya si chickpeas, and lagyan natin ng oil, olive oil din. I have here a cayenne pepper. So yan siya, guys. So yan mga ingredients natin sa ating hummus. So ayan, unahin natin ang onion, lemon, siguro we need 2 lemons. Two halves equals 1. Oh yeah, the jalapenos, guys. So there's a jalapeno cans. Ayan, ilagay ko rin yung mga sauce doon para hindi mag-dry yung ano natin, ha. And then for our chicken broth, I don't use salt. So for our chicken broth, I soak this one with a little bit of boiled water para it will become soft. Ayan, para mag-melt siya. Dahil itong chicken broth is medyo oily siya, guys. Para maging hummus siya, guys. Do not include the water, just the chickpeas. And we will add the olive oil. Tansya lang. Maybe olive oil is 2 tablespoons. And the last is tahini. Yung tahini, kunti lang din siya. 2 2 to 3 tablespoons. It's up to you guys. Gusto ko yung marami, but I only have a few here. I have to just split dahil I cannot go to the store easily dahil lockdown. So, ayan na. Kinulipot na lang ta guys, ha? Okay, tahini. Check if okay na ba siya dahil minsan pag ibuhos mo siya and then it's not really that very soft, may mga ano pa siya, so yan, a little bit more. Okay na siya guys. So, making tahini as easy as 1, 2, 3. So, ayan. So, buhos mo lang lahat. And then, ayan para makita. Ayan ang vegetable natin. We have here carrots, cucumber, and celery. Meron din tayong crackers. So we can just use the cracker or yung tortilla. It's fresh. Cucumber, celery. So, ayan guys, celery. We'll just have the celery. For our lunch, meron tayong hummus dito. Ayan siya. Siya ay hummus na I prepare. So you don't need to go to Mediterranean restaurant dahil I know how to make a hummus. So ayan na siya. Our lunch for today is hummus, vegetable, and of course we have the sky flakes. Yes, sky flakes. Some drink. Hi guys, mga lunch ta. I think that ang Filipino knows garbanzo. So this is garbanzo seeds, beans, garbanzo beans. Then I just blend this one and make it into hummus. Ayan ang lunch namin. So yummy. Just add this strawberries. Parang may kulay din siya. Strawberries each, one each, and we have lemon. And I have a pear. I have this pear so that may sweet din tayo, diba? Oops. And so guys, be sure you use something fizzy para your drinks is good. Since isa kong anak ayaw ng fizzy water, so we'll just leave that one for. Okay. Guys, lunch is ready. Come on people, let's eat lunch. So if you have hummus, be sure you have your Skyflex cracker. Dahil it's more yummy. Just like this. She just ate each for lunch. Well, that's good. I wonder how many calories is this? Because she's counting calories, you know. But for mommy, no counting calories.